Hi, I'm Andrea. In this video, I want to talk about how you control your thoughts, how you change your thoughts when the things around you show you something else. Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell button for further notifications. This way, you won't miss any of my next videos. In this video, I want to answer some of your questions, as well as some questions people used to ask me when it comes to the law of attraction. And I chose the first question to be today's topic. A lot of people have a hard time changing their thoughts to manifest, and I want to help you all get into a place where you can do that really easily. Now let's get into it. So I have received two similar questions after I uploaded my video called I Love Him But He Doesn't Love Me, Law of Attraction Solutions. In that video, I talk about changing what you see in others. If you haven't seen it, I will put a link in the description for you. And the first question is from Deepa Beishi. This video was an eye-opener for me. But one question, how to create such feelings within our hearts as I know the current situation. Please guide. And another similar question from Sabrina Les. Please give us some techniques. How can we match the vibration to change everything and attract? Which all comes down to how to change your thoughts, how to control your thoughts, because when you change your thoughts, your vibration changes, your point of attraction changes, and what you attract changes. Your present thoughts came to you by looking at the things that are going on in your life. As you think those thoughts again and again, you start adding power to that thought. You realize that this thought that you keep thinking is not helping you, and you want to change it. What you need to do is to change the direction of your thoughts, and therefore use this power to the things that you do want. And the way you do that is, remember how you created your present thought? You repeated the idea of what is until you believed it. That's what you did. Now it's time for you to change it around and repeat your new story again and again. Repeat the thought you want to add power to until you believe it. A way to do that more easily is to go step by step and choose a thought that is closer to what you believe right now. And gradually you can move on to a thought closer to what it is that you desire. If your present thought is he doesn't like me, then you shouldn't jump right away to he likes me, because that it is way too hard to do at once. Choose a thought that is somewhere in between those. Repeat that thought until you believe it, and then go up to the next thought. You can choose something like, I know his inner being loves me, so I will be patient and understanding with him until he finds his way to his inner being. I will flow my love towards him even if he's not in alignment. And when he gets closer to his inner being, I will be there loving him in a way that he can't deny it. And then gradually you find a better thought and then another better thought. I hope this answers your questions. The next question is how to use law of attraction when you feel unhappy or stuck. Law of attraction is always doing its job, whether you know it or not. Even when you are unhappy, you use the law of attraction as well. Now the big question is how you use law of attraction in your advantage. And the way you do that is get happy first. Adjust your vibration. Adjust what you attract. If you feel stuck, you need to change your present thoughts as well. Does law of attraction really work? Yes, absolutely. The fastest and the easiest way to find out is try to think about something that is not so relevant to you a couple of times a day, and you will attract things that relate to that topic in no time. Who is your favorite law of attraction inspirational teacher? Well, obviously my favorite teacher is Abraham-Hicks. I have learned so much from them. Before I discovered them, I was listening a lot to Wayne Dyer because his ideas were so pure and simple and understandable, which was perfect for me as I was just starting off. What is your favorite law of attraction practice? The practice that I love the most is to quiet down and meditate and find alignment with my inner being. This is it for today. Thank you for watching. If you find my video helpful, make sure to like and leave a comment. Till next time, bye.